good things. Welcome back to my channel. If you are new, my name is Ladyzion Sweethome. In today's video, I'm going to share with you my breakfast today. Like, I'm going to be sharing my breakfast with you guys today. And if you are new to my channel, you are highly welcome and you are well appreciated. And if today is your first time coming across this channel, we do cooking recipe, lifestyle, and face mask tutorial. If you fall in any of these categories, you want to be among this family, I will so much appreciate you. What you have to do, hit that button, subscribe, and put on the notification bell so that you don't miss any of my video. You are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers, you guys are awesome, amazing people. Thank you for always tuning in. Without taking much time, let's go right into this video. Here I have my my chicken. This is my chicken. I have chicken. I'm going to be taking some parts from it. I'm not going to be using everything. I have tomato. I'll be taking 2 from it as well. And this is my plantain. I'm going to be making plantain for today's breakfast. And these are the eggs I will be using. So without taking much time, this is the ingredients I will be using for this recipe, and this is the salt. So I will wash my plantain. Call it continental. I'm going to be using, I'm going to be using like 3 pairs from it. I will wash it and place it in the freezer. So this is it, guys. Let me show you. This is it. After washing it, I will not saute. It's getting ready. And then I also have my tomato that is sliced. To belly-wise, like I want him to know that today is a different day. So I want today to be different. So what I will do now, I will go ahead and stew this is my scalded pepper. Just add my chicken with this preparato. The chicken have been seasoned. Can you see this? So this is all I really want to do with the chicken. Can you see how beautiful this is looking? That's why I love it when plantain is not already. I will place my egg have been broke. Let me see the egg. Add one part, I'll drop this part. So this is the sauce from the tomatoes. This is the oil. So I will place the chicken. So I have to cover it so you can see how the chicken tastes out. It looks like toasted. You can see it. Oh my word! You can see all the tomato sauce became just oil. So I'll place my fry pan of this is my plantain and this is my toasted chicken. Oh my word! Can you see this? So I'll egg now. And to just be a full pot of fry pan, and I have to cut it because this fry pan can just give you how you want the egg to be like. So guys, so the egg sauce is ready. I'll put off my gas now and I serve the egg. God, you have to give this a try. Like, you have to try it. This is so delicious. So guys, so these are the breakfast. If you enjoy this video, subscribe if you have not yet, and make sure you put on the notification bell in case anytime I put on a new video to be notified. And please, if you like this video, thumbs up, like the video, share it amongst your friends and let them know the good food and delicious food you have to surprise your loved ones with. Thank you for staying tuned to this video. Thanks for watching. I hope to see you in my next video. Stay safe and bye bye for now.